Hello everyone. My name is David. I'm a 3D character animator, but I'm not here for that. I'm here to show you guys something else. For a while now, after when I finished my last project, I've been, less busy for a short while. So I've decided to take out this, little time to learn something new. So yeah, this is a file that I've written, a text file, txt file that I've written, and let me even add some more lines to the file. My name is Fabian. I live in Calabar. I love my snake. My snake loves me. I don't like eating much, but I drink a lot of water. Thank, thank, thank you, and God bless you. Amen. Right. So I've saved this file. This file is saved. Look at the name wrx.txt. So I'm going to delete what I have in this file without opening the file. Like I'm not going to open this file, but this content here will be deleted and replaced with something new. That is the reason for this video. It's something I just learned and I feel I should share with you guys. So yeah, to those guys in the house that are professional and they've noticed mistakes in whatever it is I'm about to show, please feel free to critique, feel free to make comments. I'm a very fast learner, and I'm very, very open to knowledge. So yeah, thank you very much. So this is a file, like I said, I'm going to delete the content of this file and replace it with something else without opening this file document. So let's get into that. The next thing I want to do is to open my terminal. So let me open my terminal. So yeah, my terminal is open. So I need to navigate to um, the folder where the code is, right? So let me just go there. So cd means change directory. So cd desktop, and then cd, the name of the folder is wrxx. So yeah, I'm currently in the folder, and to confirm that, you can just press ls to list out what's in the folder. So there are two files in the folder. As you can see, there's the ex16, which is this, and there's wrx, which has 172 text. All right, so the ex16 is actually the code that we use to change that particular file. So what I want to do next is to open the code. So I'm going to say code ex16.py, and yeah, Visual Studio Code is open. So this is the code I will use. So I will make a new video where I will write this code. So I have a bit of issue with this code. I would like towards the end there are some things I'm supposed to write. I don't want to. I want to look into them because I'm still learning to know where my mistakes are. But when I run this code, right, you get to see what I'm talking about. So let me just see if I can quickly do a brief rundown. So when I said I would open the file without opening it and delete what's in the file and replace it with the new file, like I've done that here already using the code. So you just want me to execute it using the terminal. Now what that means is looking at this file, you get to see that, oh yeah, I'm importing from system using the argument variable. Then I will change what I'm importing to the file using the file name, and then assigning to the argument variable. And then this particular line here with the format, and this is me trying to format the file name into the print and telling you, oh yeah, I want to erase this particular file. Oh, you understand? And then this f string is there because I will have to add the name inside, which is this name. Then this particular place here is for me to target the file and then delete the file. You understand? Using the truncate variable. So this particular method here, truncates rather, sorry, say truncate. Truncate is for me to, delete the file. This W here is means that I'll be, in the write mode, WRITE, write mode, where I get to either clean or write or something or add or something. So yeah, I'm using write mode to truncate the file. And yeah, this is where you'll be, I've actually asked you guys to write three different lines. The user has to write three different lines, and then this is me targeting the three lines in the file and then adding it to the file and then close up and then reopen. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything that's in this file, in this Python script, sorry, as a file. All right, so that's the very, very brief rundown. I was not expecting to go this fast. So let's see what this code will do. So what I want to do next is to execute the code by saying python ex16 dot py and then add the file name to it. So what's the file name? Like I said I'm not going to open the file. So the file name is wrx. So wrx.txt. Yeah. So let's check this out. Let me minimize this. So if you notice from here, oh sorry for that. It says we are going to erase wrx.txt. If you notice here, it says we are going to erase file name, which means that I've replaced wrx.txt with this file name here using the f string, right? And the same thing here because the variable that was assigned here that that takes the place of the file name, which is a wrx.txt, as you can see here. All right, so if you don't want that, hit control. I want that actually, so yeah, I will have to hit. Now opening the file, which is here, opening the file name. Now is that asking me to write three lines that will replace what I've just deleted using the truncate. Truncate means to delete. So yeah, I'm truncating the file, which is done here. Now I'm going to ask you for three new lines. Let me just assume I'm going to write, let's say, I I love Amala so much that I can't spend a day without it. Line two, I drink Pepsi, not drink. I drank Pepsi while eating Amala. Sorry, let me just quickly add space there. I love my life. All right. Okay, no, I think I love my life was in the last one. So let's just say um I don't love my shoe because it's brown in color. Stop. So this is where the error is, right? So this text has been written, but then and finally close it is actually here and finally close it, and this is the code for that. So when I said print look up the new file, I was expecting it to write the look up the new file here, but it did not. It just went straight and reprinted it straight up, which is what I will need to know why it's not. So if there's anybody in the house that can actually help me look into this, but yeah, I'll look into this myself to know why it's like this. But the main reason for this video is that yeah, I've just changed the file without actually opening the file. So let's confirm what I've just done by actually opening the file. This time around I will use the WPS routes to open the file. Oh sorry, it's not loading, sorry. So let's reopen using PWPS WPS. Okay, so here it is loading. Tada! I love Amala so much that I can't spend a day without it, which is not what I wrote initially. I drank Pepsi while eating Amala. I don't love my shoe because it's brown in color. So that's pretty much it for today. Like I said, I'm still very much learning. This is like I'm still like a newborn baby. Not like I'm a newborn baby in this field, so I don't know much. And this is Python, so it's not quite easy. Though it's easy, but not very easy. So I'm still learning, and I'm very much open to more knowledge. And I still do animation. Like animation is my first love. I don't joke with animation. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys very soon with updates on what I'm able to do after now. But yeah, this would be like a what's the word? Um, a memory for me. So when I'm a pro, I can always come back to these memories to see how I got started in the nearest future. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking around. See you guys later.